The Snappy Trap Drain Kits are the new way of installing the plumbing for kitchen and bathroom sinks. We offer 4 different Snappy Trap products. For kitchen sinks, there's the all-in-one drain kit for double bowl kitchen sinks, the all-in-one drain kit for single bowl sinks, and the special kit for limited vertical distance installations. For bathroom sinks, a universal all-in-one drain kit that works for any type of bathroom sink. The drain kit for double bowl kitchen sinks includes flexible hose assembly, P-trap, wall drain coupling, 2 elbows, one with a branch for dishwasher drain hose or reverse osmosis drain hose, connecting accessories, and 2 tailpiece elbows for limited vertical distance installations. The drain kit for single bowl kitchen sinks includes flexible hose assembly, P-trap, wall drain coupling, 1 elbow with a branch for dishwasher drain hose or a reverse osmosis drain hose, connecting accessories, and 1 tailpiece elbow for limited vertical distance installations. The universal drain kit for bathroom sinks includes flexible hose assembly for offset drain pipe installations or long wall tube for centered installations, P-trap, wall drain coupling. This coupling reduces down to 1 1/4 inch for 1 1/4 inch wall drains, sometimes found in bathroom sinks. We also include a 1 1/2 inch for 1 1/4 inch reducing adapter for this purpose, 8 inch extension tube. Connecting accessories. We include a 1 1/2 inch for 1 1/4 inch reducing washer for 1 1/4 inch bathroom sink tail pieces.